What is up, everybody? How's it going? So I picked up some movies from Walmart, some 4K movies. Picked up SpaceJam, a couple kids movies, and an adult movie that you could also let your kids watch. I think, I don't remember. But I digress. Let's get into it. It's just gonna be a quick video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys there. What is up, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. So this is kind of like an electronic entertainment thing, video. I picked up some movies. So we got the original SpaceJam, and then in 4K, and then the new SpaceJam New Legacy in 4K as well. This is a good movie. I've always liked this movie. Figured it would be a good set of movies for the kids. Since it's not really easy to show movies nowadays, for kids at least. And this one, I picked this one up at a different Walmart, because the Walmart I bought these two at, they didn't have any in 4K. This is Zack Snyder's Justice League. It actually looks to me like it's referencing when Superman died in the Superman movie, the last Superman movie. Ultimate sacrifice was not in vain. Bruce Wayne, Ben Affleck aligns forces with Diane Prince. Plan to recruit a team of metahumans to protect the world from approaching threat. It's pretty neat. I picked that up. This can, also be watched by the kids. It is a DC movie. But, I really liked the original SpaceJam. I didn't have it on DVD or anything back when it was made. I had it on VHS, and I don't have a VHS player anymore. But I figured I'd pick them both up. I haven't seen the new one. I heard it was a pretty good movie. And the Justice League, I was told, was a great movie as well. But if you guys have watched these, leave your comments down below, what you like, what you dislike about them. Just a quick video, kind of just a small entertainment haul. I appreciate you guys stopping by as always. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I will see you guys on the next video. Peace!